Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a spudger, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure your workspace is clean and organized to avoid losing any small screws. Start by powering off your ASUS A53S and unplugging it from any power source. Next, locate the screws on the bottom panel of the laptop. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once all screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the spudger. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips. Once the back panel is off, locate the battery. Disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. This is a crucial step to ensure your safety during the repair process. After disconnecting the battery, you can now proceed to the charging connector. The charging connector is typically held in place by a few screws. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. Once the screws are out, gently lift the connector from its socket. If it's stuck, use the spudger to carefully pry it loose. Now, before installing the new connector, take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the area using compressed air. This helps to ensure a good connection and prevents future issues. If you're not comfortable doing this repair yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the right help. Install the new charging connector by placing it into the socket and securing it with the screws you previously removed. Double-check that it's firmly in place. Once secured, reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard. Make sure it's seated properly to avoid any connection problems. At this point, it's a good idea to test the new connector before reassembling your laptop. Simply power on your ASUS A53S and check if it charges correctly. If you find yourself without the necessary tools, don't worry, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your laptop serviced without any hassle. If the connector works as expected, you can proceed to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel onto the laptop, ensuring all clips are aligned properly. Once in place, replace all the screws to secure the back panel. Remember, no calls, no travel. Our service is designed for your convenience. After securing the back panel, give your laptop a final check. Ensure everything is in order and that there are no leftover screws. Now, power on your ASUS A53S one last time to confirm that everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, we can provide a quote before repair to help you understand the costs involved. This concludes the step-by-step guide on replacing the charging connector on your ASUS A53S. By following these instructions, you should be able to successfully complete the repair. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.